Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VTVT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and volume was by far the biggest this chart has seen for a very long time. So I want to just try to map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support to keep an eye on is just essentially where the lows of today were, at basically $2.90, and given the amount of momentum that occurred in the afternoon here, I don't think it would be that unrealistic at all to see the price potentially go down there and test $3, if not $2.90. So it'll be very interesting to see if that level does get tested, and if it does, is the price going to be able to hold up above it? If it doesn't, then once again, would not be shocking at all to see the price go down there and potentially close the gap right around the $2 mark. But the one thing to keep an eye on is that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, which is starting to cross up above there, keyword being moving, so it'll continue to move upwards. And this is kind of a trend line that's going to draw itself for you. So we'll see what happens with it, but definitely given the momentum going into the close, it's looking like $3 and maybe even $2 could definitely be in play for tomorrow. But obviously, if the price comes down here and then just really starts to level off, at that point, all right, maybe this thing is getting ready to bounce. But as things stand right now, there's no denying there was a lot of momentum going into the close. So I think both these levels of support are definitely very valid. In terms of levels of resistance, if this thing does actually level off and start to head back upwards, initial area of resistance to keep an eye on right there around $4.15. And then the next key overall level after 415, right up here at, what is that, 550. So 415 and 550, a couple of areas of resistance to watch going forward. All in all, though, quite the volatile chart. I was watching it. I never got any fills on it, but I do plan on watching this one tomorrow, and these are some of the levels I will be watching. So yeah, let's see how this one plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.